What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna see the thumbnail and the title, you know what I'm gonna come talk about today. So in today's video, I will let you guys know a little bit about keeping us aboard, a little bit more about me. So let's get into the video. So right now I am currently 15 years old, so it's 16. Currently 15 years old, because most people be like look for me and say, like, up to yesterday, me watching a small YouTuber, and she cause me did watch her video, and me go in her description, and I'm looking there, and she said I think I'm 17. I think she said she has 17, but based on how her face looks, to me, she looked like she had 20, but she's actually 17 years old. Yeah, so I'm currently 15 years old for now, because my birthday is in 2 weeks time. So yeah, I am born. Well, anyways, I am born, yeah. I am born in August, the 26th, so obviously we're in August right now, so my birthday in 2 weeks time, as like I said before. So, and fact number 3, I currently attend the poorest high school, which most of them might say poorest like a bad school, which it is not. As far as what me see and know, well, I'm not gonna say see, here I know, and see too. Every school is a bad school. Every single school is a bad school, because what you put in is what you get out. So if you decide to put in, say, you know what, mega work towards this, mega want this, mega that, at that year go get back out. So yeah. And if I work towards it, say me no want to learn nothing, me can't do this one other way, at that technically you go get back out a way you put in. So yeah. Paris is a good school. Yeah, it's a good school. Oh my god, yeah. Fact number 4 is that I am in grade 10. No, for now, because we're in August, so next month September I'm gonna grade 11. So we have 1 year left back in high school. 1 year left back in high school. Wow. Oh, the reason why I want to ask me I look down, so because we have one book in front of me right now. Oh, we have one book in front of me right now. The someday remember myself say the facts about my name someday. So I have 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers. Yeah, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I currently live with my mom. Yeah, I currently live with my mother, whatever. My favorite artists are Chanel, me can never pronounce her last name good. Yeah, Chanel, Jada Kingdom, Shensia, and most people we say obviously a Jada Kingdom and Shensia like, but if they have a buzz, or maybe say me not like them. Anyways, have a buzz that kind of sound away. Yeah, but if they like nice and them something them, yeah, make I like them. They have so nice song too. Alright, my favorite YouTubers are Image and Dolly. I found with them. I watch Image and Dolly, and I realized that they start on prank war. Back to back, Image go to Image Jack Bangers pan Dolly Jack Bangers pan Image, and I say it go. They have He have prank wars and them kind of something. So you guys can go check them out. That's so nice content. Anyways. Oh yeah, the the RK family, otherwise known as Chrissy and Rosa. Chrissy and Rosa Incline, not Incline. NK, the NK gang or NK family. Whenever say NK, yeah, whenever say NK family or NK gang, AKA, cause no way NK stands for Nikki and Klein. So yeah, and then I have the TN family. Twy and Nix, them have some. The whole, as no, me gonna say the whole of them have some nice video. The whole of them has a nice video. Oh, this is the last one. So, what I hate when people do. Me hate when people bug me. That's the worst thing. Me hate it. Cause I see like when me me lay down or sit down or something. Like up to wedding. My brother, you know, me lay down on my bed, right? And I watch something important. And the brother just call my name. And then when you realize I'm not paying no attention, you haul up my socks off of my foot. And that gave me, well, I'm not gonna say angry, but like that bug me. Cause it's something about that I watched interesting. I did one movie. I did one movie that I watched, so and the movie did interesting. And I call me. I mean, I'm paying the mind, so he dropped my socks off my foot, which my foot did cold. I didn't have any socks on my foot, and did one everything. And then dry it off, and I did cold. So yeah, that bugged me. Yeah. So those are the 10 facts. That's 10 facts about me. Yeah. 10 facts about me. On to the matter now. Make a give one speech. More the call it one speech, but like one could message to all small YouTubers, like me myself. To all small YouTubers. You see when I like start YouTube, it's like when I made that start YouTube, like comedy like set my mind to it, say me want do it, me set my mind to it, say me want do it, cause when I say me gonna do it, me look up everything about YouTube, every single thing about YouTube, me look up everything. Yeah. It's once I set a mind to something, say you really want to do it. Cause you see right now, me have a passion for do it. Me love YouTube. Me love the video them some of them. No matter to me if you're not funny or blah 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 or whatever. Me love the YouTube. I love to do YouTube. So once you like set your mind to do something, I go accomplish it. Yeah. I'll go accomplish it, and I'm somebody. Just like, cause this one time when we put up on video, one of my family members say we must stop do it. The person said must stop do it, and I'm saying no, make it go on. And then me have up 2 video which me take them back down, cause me just like me couldn't bother with him. And them like me take them down, and then me start repost, re-upload video, and then kind of something. I start re-upload video again because me love do it, and then something. I start upload video, and I start upload video. So once you set a mind to something, I go accomplish it. Yeah, you go accomplish it. Once something else, no, but me figure what me that go say. Yeah, just not let nobody tell you say you can't do it, are you not funny enough, or not this or not that. It no matter if you're funny or you're not funny. Anything can go on YouTube. It no matter if you're It no matter if you're funny or not funny, or you're lame or you're shy. Me no, cause me shy. Me get shy. Me definitely shy. But the thing is, when you talk, the person now see you face to face. The person now see you face to face. Me shy, so me know. So yeah, Just like set your mind to it, say you want to do it, and just keep going. No matter if you like have hate comments, which I not have none right now, and I hope I not get none. Yeah, no matter if you have hate comments or whatever, just like keep pushing yourself to it. Just keep pushing yourself towards the goal where you want to reach, and you will be on your merry way. Just keep doing what you're doing, and then kind of someday. Yeah, I'm gonna say this in my intro. Oh my god, I always forget to say this in my intro. Oh my god, if you're new guys, I meditate. I don't remember meditate, but I'm gonna say it again. If you're new, yeah, meditate. Me say. I'm just remember some meditate. Oh yeah, guys, go follow my Instagram at queen_titis_princess, and follow me on Snapchat at Queen Tash and the crown. You have to have one emoji crown, because if you don't have the emoji crown, you're not gonna find me. Queen Tash and the not the emoji crown, the crown. Yeah, so just like listen to me. Well, if you don't want, then you can listen to me, motivating yourself in a what way you wanna feel comfortable, and then just keep pushing yourself towards the goal where you wanna reach, and you will be on your merry way. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe, like, comment, share, all of them look nice something. Yeah, share. Peace.